Alright friends, so I'm installing an anti-tip plate for a Samsung stove. So basically this is going to screw into the wall right here, and the little foot of the stove slides up under there. It also acts as like a spacer so you don't put your thing all the way into the wall. Anyway, so I'm going to use these screws and screw it into the stud there at the base. So here we go. One, and here's number two. Alright, so there you go. That's not going anywhere. And that way, if someone steps on the oven door, like a child or something, the stove isn't going to tip forward and perhaps injure the little one. So thanks for watching this anti-tip bracket installation.